Welcome back to my channel. I've already got most of my Christmas decor put away. I just saved a few items that would work for my winter decor. So today's video will be of winter decor. I'm gonna have the top of my hutch decorated, my table, some stuff in my kitchen, my upstairs living room area, and also my family room. Here in my living room, I had two Christmas pillows that I have right here. I ordered these camel color pillowcases off of Amazon, and I just put this right on top of the Christmas pillow. I love how this has these are really great quality. I think I got them at HomeGoods. So they're the ones that I'm gonna put covers on, but I love how you can do the karate chop, just like these pillows here. Those are my favorite, and they seem to be the most high quality pillows, so I like to get my pillows from there for a good price. These are just two stems here, and these I had gotten from coming home. So I just kind of moved them around and spread them out a little bit. This one I like hanging a little bit on the side, so it's not as spread out as the other one. And just pop them in. And that's that. I'm going to use the same greenery, just have it hang off this one side over here. Make sure that's centered. And then I'm going to add these big pine cones that were on my fireplace mantle. And I want them to be all in different directions. I don't want them all the same way. If I had another one of these, I'm kind of on the lookout for one. I got this at Hobby Lobby. And then I've got this little mini wreath. I have another one of these, so I'm hoping to find one of these, and then I'll mimic the same thing on both sides of this. But as for now, I'm gonna pull this over a little bit so that this is all centered. And then I can just hide our remotes in here, because our dog likes to eat them. Here in my kitchen, I just left a few subtle items for winter. And I've got this pick here, and then I just added two little picks. These are from Hobby Lobby, these smaller ones are. I just kind of stuck them in here. Really, I don't need them, because there's plenty going on in there, so. This in here for Christmas. I had this whole setup here for Christmas actually, and just left it. I just added a few little picks here, wired them together, and put them in the jar. This little black one is from Target. I don't remember where this is from. I think Marshall's. Just gonna put that here, and another wood tree. really digging that I'm able to use my same decor that I use for Christmas in some of my winter decor. So these lights here above our picture gallery, I've got 3 lights that I bought on Amazon here. They have 3 remotes. They all sync onto one remote, which is awesome. So you just push the on button, and there's 3 different settings. So there's a warm, a bright, and a different bright. So I like the warm. I just feel like it seems more cozy. So that's what I use. So we've got those lights there. I've got this set up here. This is still my Christmas decor. There's a couple of things I'm going to take out, like these gold bells here that are in this vase. And then I've got some ornaments here in this bowl. So I'm just going to rearrange things a little bit and then leave some winter interest. So I have these little bells here that I'm going to remove. And then I've got some little fairy lights here that I'm also gonna remove. Other than that, I'm gonna keep this the way it is. I'm gonna pull them all out and show you what I used. All right, so I've got another one of these. I don't know where I got this, but it's the same one that I used in my kitchen on my countertop there. So I've just stuck that in there. And then I've got 3 of these. Got these from coming home, and I just kind of stuck these in here and there. I kind of like the look of things drooping off one side or both. I'm sure you guys have noticed. So this just kind of fills it all out and brings it all together. So all I'm going to do here is remove all of my ornaments here. And these 2 stack perfectly together, so they're the exact same size. And then I'm just going to add this bowl. And we can put our keys in there or whatever we need to, and I think it looks good just like that. This vase here I also got from Hobby Lobby. I'll take all the greenery out here and show you what I used for this. Well, I found out where this one was from that I used up here and then in my kitchen. This was from TJ Maxx. That's why I keep tags on stuff. So I used one of these here. Stuck this one in first because it's the biggest. I kind of want it hanging off the front side here. Hide those tags. And then I've got 3 of these here. These are pretty big. I found these at Coming Home. They have a ton of really awesome stems over there, but I'm sure there's other places that you can find them. So I layered 3 of those, and I made them droop. And then this one in the back, I've got just kind of standing up. I'll move this back a little bit so you guys can see. All right, and then these are also from Coming Home. I got 2 of these. Just gonna stick them in. I'll just stick my little twigs in here. And there we go. We could also add a couple birch logs in there if we wanted to and have them sticking out of there. And we could really do all sorts of things, but that's mine. I just added my big lantern. I've got my swag here that I keep here all year long. I usually just add stuff to the top. So like my Christmas one, I added just one on top, tied a red bow on there. For Valentine's, I'm gonna have a little heart here, just add on top of this, same thing. So down here in this basket, I just had a couple leftover picks. This one's also from Hobby Lobby, same that's on the other side. Hobby Lobby, this, I'm not sure. So I just stuck a bag in here to take up some room. Stuck that in, let it kind of hang over the side. And just kind of threw it together, and I think it looks nice. One of the Anthropology dupe that I got at Home Goods. Just set that on this tray here, and then I've got 2 candlesticks. And yeah. And that is all for my winter decorate with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is kind of going to be it for a little while for the decorating videos. I'm going to be putting out a couple more. But other than that, I'm going to be starting on my gardening. I'm going to be trying some soil blocking, which I have not done that before, but you can fit a lot more plants in one small area when you're trying to get your seedlings to germinate. So I'm going to be doing a cut flower this year. They're going to go along with my dahlias and all of my other cut flowers that I had last year. I'm adding to the mix. I have 2 weddings coming up. My sister Krista is getting married in August this year, and my daughter Oakley is going to be getting married in a couple years. So I just want to make sure that I have the colors right. We figure out what flowers we want, and I'll need to keep track of when they all bloom so that we can have them in our bouquets and on our table decor and stuff like that. So it's going to be really fun. I'm probably going to have a lot of extras, so I might end up selling bouquets around the neighborhood. And we're thinking about starting up some microgreens. Our family has been pretty sick lately, so we're just trying to focus on eating better and putting more nutritious foods in our body. So I think we're going to be starting that up soon. It just takes a little bit of time and money to get started up on something like that. So that'll probably be coming up in a couple of months. Anyway, thanks you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you guys stick around for our adventure. We'll see you guys in the next ones. Bye guys.